Hi student, in today's topic we are going to start with again our same topic, area bounded region. Till now we have discussed how can we find out the area enclosed by closed figure. Then in our study video we have see that how can we find out the area between two curves, and then how can we find out the area between two curves when the curves are intersecting. Now again in our this section because we are going to elaborate with some another examples there. First of all, look, in this chapter we have to be 4 or 5 steps there to solve any. First of all, for given information we have to be first of all draw a rough sketch there, and when you are going to draw a rough sketch, then find out the which area we have required there, set the region there, and think about it. How can we find out this area there? For example, we start with one of the NCERT problem, maybe it's a draw a rough sketch of curve y equal to sin x. We have a draw a rough sketch of y equal to sin x and y is equal to cos x. We have a draw a rough sketch of y equal to sin x and y equal to cos x. Our x varies from 0 to pi by 2. It's given there. Our x is varies from 0 to pi by 2. 0 to pi by 2, and then after that we have to find the area of the region enclosed by them and the x-axis. Now first of all we are going to draw the rough sketch. Look, take y-axis and the x-axis. So suppose our origin is 0, then now we are going to draw the graph of sin x. At sin 0 0, at sin 90, so suppose it's our 1. It's 1 there. Then at 0 to pi by 2, this is our graph of y is equal to, this is our y sin y equal to cos x. At cos 0, our this is cos 0 is 1, and at cos 90 it is 0. Then the graph of cos x is what? This is our y is equal to cos x. Now look, we get y equal to cos x, y equal to sin x, 0 to pi by 2. First of all, we have to find out this. This is enclosed by y equal to cos x, y equal to sin x, and then our x-axis. Now look, we get their intersection point. First of all, we have to find out it's our intersection point. Look, it's our y equal to sin x and y equal to cos x. Sin x equal to cos x means it's our tan x equal to 1, means our x equal to pi by 4, means this is our intersection of pi by 4 here. Then our this point is x equal to pi by 4. Now look, we have to find out this shaded region there. How can we find out? This shaded region is made by from here to here, between the region 0 to pi by 4 by the curve sin x, and then from pi by 4 to pi by 2 it's made by our curve y is equal to cos x. Now then we have to be at curves by, then how can we get our required area? 0 to pi by 4, our limit is 0 to pi by 4, and it's made by our sin x, y is equal to sin x, y dx, sin x dx, plus the area made by from pi by 4 to pi by 2, pi by 4 to pi by 2, from the curve, this is made by the curve cos x, y equal to cos x dx. Now we have to be integrate it, then put the limit there. Now I am going to integrate. Yes, the integration of sin x is what? It's our minus cos x. Put the limit 0 to pi by 4. Now what we do? 0 to pi by 4, then it's the integration of cos x is what? Sin x pi by 2 to pi by 4. Now put the limit there, minus cos, first upper limit pi by 4, then minus, but there is already minus, then minus plus cos 0 plus sin pi by 2 minus sin pi by 4. Now The value of cos 44 is what? Minus 1 by root 2. It's 1. Sin 90 is 1. Then minus sin pi by 4 is what? Minus 1 by root 2. Now what do we get here? Minus plus 1 2, and this minus is what? Minus 2 root 2. A further solution, it can be root 2. Then the required area is what? 2 minus root 2 square unit. 2 minus root 2 square units. This is our required area. Now just again, first of all, between this 0 to pi by 2, y equal to sin x, then y equal to cos x. Then we have to find the area of this shaded region. Then we are going to find out the intersection point there, pi by 4. The first area, this is made by the curve y equal to sin x. That's why we take 0 to pi by 4 sin x dx. And then between pi by 4 to pi by 2, this is made by the curve y equal to cos x. Then limit pi by 4 to pi by 2 y dx, or y is cos x dx. After solving, now we get our required result. Now we are going to move with our next problem. Again, it's using method of integration. Now we have to find, using method of integration, find the using method of integration, find the area bounded by mod x plus y equal to n. Find the area bounded by mod x plus mod y equal to 1. Using method of integration, we have to find the area bounded by mod x plus mod y equal to 1. Look, by method of integration means we have to find out its area, then we have to be apply area of one region by. Then first of all, we have to be here. We have to plot. We have to be plot the first of. We have to draw the scale subgraph. Now the fix of modulus function there. Then we have to first of all define it. We have take to draw the graph. Let's suppose what is in first quadrant. Since it's a question of line, then we are going to use our coordinate section. X plus y equal to line. This is represent a straight line there. Then we are going to what happens? We take this mod x plus y in our first quadrant. In first quadrant, our x is positive, our y is positive. Then this is our x. Mod x is x and mod y is y. Then x plus y equal to 1. Then our x question is what? X plus y equal to 1. In second quadrant, our x is negative, y is positive. In second quadrant, our x is negative, then mod x is what? Minus x, and y is positive, mod y is y is equal to 1. Again define in third quadrant. In third quadrant, what has happened there? Our x is negative, our y is negative. Then mod x is minus x and mod y is also minus y. Then minus x minus y equal to 1. Now in our last, in fourth quadrant, what our x is positive there, y is negative there. Then mod x is x, mod y is negative minus y. Sorry, we have taken minus y there, is equal to 1. Now look, first of all, we are there redefined it, our equation there, mod x plus mod y equal to 1. After redefining, now look, we have to plot the graph there. First of all, we have to draw in first point x plus y equal to 1. Look, I am going to draw the graph here. X plus y equal to 1 means when we are going to convert it, it's in a line x pi a plus y equal to 1 form or section form. Then what we have at here is 1, here is 1, then this is our x plus y equal to 1. Now intercept on x is what? Minus 1 and y is 1. So suppose it's a minus 1 there and 1. This is our minus x plus y is equal to 1. Now in third, minus x minus y. In this case, our intercept both are minus 1. Then joining this. Now this is our line minus x minus y equal to 1, and x minus y equal to 1. Then our intercept from x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Then our x is 1 and y is minus 1. Joining this is our line x minus y equal to 1. Look, we have taken one larger something. Take 1 there, same distance. Now this is our x minus y equal to 1. Now look, this is our figure. We have drawn the figure. Now we have to find out this area of this region there. Find the area bounded by mod x plus y mod y equal to 1. Now we have to find this whole area. We can name O, A, B, C, D. Now look, what we see there, our area OAB, OAC, OCD and BOD. These areas are by axis of symmetry. This area, all the areas are symmetrical. Then to get this, what we do? We are just going to find out the area of this OAB. We are just going to find out the area OAB and multiply with 4. Then we get our whole area, which is enclosed by these lines. Then to get this area, what we will do? Now our area is given by look, we are just going to find out the 4 times area of OAB. How can we find out area of OAB? 4 OAB. Drawing this strip, this is made by line look, it's arrow there. This line is made by x plus y equal to 1. Then 4 times, what is our region? This is our 0, this is our 1. Then our limit is what? 0 to 1 y dx. What is our y? 1 minus x dx. Now I am going to rub this portion. It's not neat here. कोई ज़रूरत नहीं अभी अब क्या करना है, ये तो हमारा सारा काम. Look, when we are going to draw our sketch the graph there, then after that it's nothing is very too worried there. Now look, now we have to find out integration. What is the integration of 1? We get x there. 4 times we get it's x. Then put the limit here 0 1. Then 1, it's a minus x square by 2. Integration of x is x square by 2. Putting the limit 1 0. Now 4, what is get there? We get 1 minus 0 there, minus 1 by 2 minus 0, then 4 into 1 minus 1 by 2 means 4 into 1 by 2, we get 2 square units. We get our area is what? It's a 2 square. Our area is what? It's a 2 square units. Also we can verify it by geometry. Now look, we have find here by using method of integration there, but we can also find it by when we have draw this. So look, so 1 1 1 1 1. Then it's about our square there. This is our square. Then what we get? We get our is what? This is our square. This is our diagonal. This is 1. This is 1. Then our diagonal is what? Our diagonal of the square is what? 2. Then how can we get our side? It's a 2 by root 2. Then our side of the square is what? Root 2. Then area is what? Root 2 square. Means we get 2. This portion because it's mentioned here. We have to find out using method of integration. Then after ये ग्राफ ड्रॉ करने के बाद आप ज्योमेट्री यूज करके एरिया नहीं निकालेंगे. यू हैव टू बी इंटीग्रेट दिस. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू मूव विथ नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम. what is the next problem? What we have? Find the area of the smaller region bounded by the ellipse x square by 9 plus y square. It's also NCERT and as well as asked in board exams and there. Which problem we are going to discuss with now. Look, what we have to find here? We have to find here. Find the area of the smaller region bounded by the ellipse. Find the area of the smaller region bounded by the ellipse x square by 9 plus y square by 4 equal to 1. Find the area of the smaller region bounded by the ellipse x square plus y square by 4 equal to 1 and the straight line x by 3 plus y by 2 equal to 1. Look, then first of all again we have a problem. We have to find the area of the smaller region. It's given there. We have to find the area of smaller region bounded by the ellipse and the line. Then first of all go to draw ellipse. Look, it's a ellipse. What is the equation of our ellipse? Is got x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. I'm comparing with, we get our a is 3 and b is 2. Then we are going to draw our ellipse there. Look, this is our ellipse A. This is our A0, means this is our, the point is our 3 0 to A, and this is our 0 2. Now look, we draw the graph of ellipse x square by 9 plus y square by 4 equal to 1. Now look, we have to draw the graph of line this x by 3 plus, again it's our the line format of x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Then intersect on x is a and b is 1. Our a is 3 and b is 2. This is 2 easy. We have b 3 and a 3 and b 2. Then our line is passes through from here. Now look, from given information जो भी प्रश्न में दिया, जो भी प्रॉब्लम में दिया रखा था उसके अकॉर्डिंग हमने ग्राफ को ड्रॉ कर लिया है. बट वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द एरिया ऑफ द स्मॉलर रीजन बाउंडेड बाय द एलिप्स एंड द स्ट्रेट लाइन. लुक, ellipse and straight line, and this area is smaller, then we have to find out the area of this smaller region. Now look, how can we find out this area of this small area? When we take a strip there in this portion there, then our look, when this area is made by between the region G, it's our origin 0 to 3. This area is made by our ellipse, and then we are going to minus subtract the area made by this our triangle. We can name there OB, made by triangle OAB. Then we get the area of our center region there. Then to get our area of center region, then what we have to do? We have to take the required area is what? Between the limit 0 to 3, and the whole region is made by our ellipse y dx. Look, here the y is what? For ellipse dx minus the area made by the line 0 to 3 y dx, or y is given by line. Look, we have to solve it. Or x square plus y square by 4 is equal to 1 there. Then first of all we have to solve our equation there, putting the value of y there. And look, we have x square by 9 is equal to y square by, plus y square by 4 equal to 1. Then y square by 4 is equal to 1 minus x square by 9, means 9 minus x square by 9. This means our y square is equal to 4 by 9. 9 minus x square, then our y is given by 2 by 3. we're just taking a positive value there because it's in our first coordinate there. We just taking in first coordinate. Then 2 by 3 under root 9 minus x square. Now what do we have here? Limit over 0 to 3, 2 by 3 taking outside this 2 by 3. 2 by 3 under root 9 minus x square dx. Look, now we get a special integral there. Under root of a square minus x square dx. What is its value? This special integral. It's a x by 2 under root a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sin inverse x by a. Yes, it is correct. Now we get here, then minus subtract 0 to 3. Now we have to get the value of y for the given line. In similar manner, we are going to find out the for line it. Now x by 3 plus y by 2 equal to 1 from here. Then y by 2 is what? 1 minus x by 3, 3 minus x by 3. Then y is what? 2 by 3, 3 minus x. Taking again 2 by 3 common there, and 3 minus x, 3 minus x dx. Now look, we have to be here find out a value there. And now it's a large value, and now I'm going to start with write down here from. Now what is the integration of under root a square minus x square? We have 2 by 3. We are going to write down here 2 by 3. It's a what? X by 2 under root a square minus x square, means we are going to put 9 minus x square minus a square by 2, again it's a 9, sin inverse x by a. Our a is what? 3. Then putting the limit 0 to 3, 2 by 3 x by 2 under minus. Now look, we are going to solve this. Minus 2 by 3. Here what we get? Its integration is what? 3x minus, this is our x square by 2, and we are going to put the limit 0 to 3. Now look, we have put the values there. After putting the values, now we are going to be solve it. We have to be first of all putting the limit there, and then upper and lower limit is there. Now look, now we don't need of any questions here because we can get the graph. Then we have used this space there. Now look, we are going to put in the limit here. Look, it's a sin inverse is equal to now 2 by 3. Put in the first limit 3, and then what do we get? Look, when we are going to put the 3 here, it's a 3 square is what? 9, 9 minus 9, 0. And now this portion is 0 here. I'm just going to explain you already up. 3 by 2 into under root 9 minus 9, this part is our 0 there. And then minus, when we put here 3, then it's a minus 9 by 2, sin inverse 3 by 3, 1. How can we get 1? We get its value 1 is what? At the place of pi by 2. Then it's minus 9 by 2. Sin inverse 1 is pi by 2. Now we are going to put our lower limit with minus sign. Minus, when we are going to put, then when we put 0 there, again it's 0. Minus 0 and minus minus, we get plus here. Sin inverse 0 is 0, then we get again 0 there. Now first we are putting the values here. It's 0 plus 9 by 2 sin inverse 1 minus 9 sin inverse x by 3. Look, then now here minus 2 by 3, 3 3 ja, put it the first limit 9 minus 9 by 2, and second limit we have to subtract it, then it's 0 minus 0, again it's 0 plus 0, no need of. Now look, we are going to solve this. This 2 and 2 cancel out, then we have this 3 3, then we have minus 3 pi by 2, minus 3 pi by 2, and here what we get, 18 minus 9, 9 to 18, 18 minus 9, 9 by 2, then minus, sorry, it's a positive, and we get minus 9 by 2 means 2 by 3 into 9 by 2, and then we get 3. We get minus 3 there. Now we get our required result here, minus 2 by 3, then it's a 9 minus 9 by 2. Then we get our required result. Look, I have done a mistake there. Putting the what formula is there. I have done a, it's my approach to you. It's a formula is what, it's our x is by 2 under root a square minus square plus sine inverse x by a. Then I have done a mistake there. Then here we get a plus, and these are values are 0 there, then it's not be any requirement there. Then now what we get, this is our positive value. Then we get our 3 pi by 2 minus 3 under root a square minus square by 2 under root a square minus square plus a square by 2 sine inverse x by a. Okay, put in the value there, 3, then 3 by 2 9 0, then plus 9 by 2 sine inverse 3 by 3 1 pi by 2. Now look, we have what we have, it's a 3 pi by 2 minus 3, take the common 3, then we have pi by 2 minus 1 square units. Now we get our required area 3 pi by 2, we get common 3 there, then what we get, 3 pi by 2 minus 1 also pi minus 2 square units. You can write down in any values there. Now look up. We have take our next problem. I'm not going to explain you the whole process there. Take next example. I'm just going to explain the graph. Then after that you have to be solved by using your concept. Now look, in the next problem what we have, find the area of the region common to the circle. Find the area of the region common to the circle x square plus y square equal to 16, and the line y is equal to, sorry, and the parabola is given there, and the parabola y square equal to 6x. Now I'm not going to explain the whole problem you, just I'm going to discuss the graph, then set the region there. We have to find the, now we have to find the area of the region common to the circle x square plus y square 16, and the line and the parabola y square equal to 6x. Look, it's x square plus y square equal to a square. This is the equation of circle, passes through origin, having radius 4, having radius 4. Then this is our 4, a0 means 40. This is our O. And the parabola y square equal to 6x. Parabola y square equal to 6x. It is a open word parabola and symmetry of x axis. And this is our having vertex 0 0. Then this is our parabola y square equal to 6x. Now here we have to find the area of the region common to the circle x square plus y square 16 and y square 6x. We have to find the whole region. But we are going to, what we do, first of all we are going to find out this area of this region, and after getting this area, because this area both parts are symmetric to each other, we are just going to find out this area. And after getting this area, we are going to multiply with 2, then we get the common region between this parabola and this circle, between this circle and parabola. Then how can we get this area? Look, again it's the intersection point. Then we have to find out first of all is intersection point there, y square equal to 6x. x square plus 6x equal to 16, x square plus 6x minus 16 equal to 0. It's a 16. It's a x plus 8 and x minus 2 equal to 0. Now we have x equal to minus 8, but in we are discuss only first quadrant. Then we cannot discuss in our first quadrant. Then we have take x equal to 2. And this is our intersection point. This is our 2 and x equal to 2. Our y square is what? It's 12. Then value of y is what? 2 root 3. Then this is our intersection point 2 comma 2 root 3. But here this is a point 2 0. Now I'm just going to explain how can we find out the area there. Here find out this area first of all. How can we find out this area? Between the limit 0 to 2. Look, this portion is met by our curve y square. Then we have under root 6x dx. And plus this region, this smaller region between 2 to 4 met by the circle, means y is what? Under root 16 minus x square. Again we are here with the standard form there, under root square minus x square there. Now look, we have to solve this. After putting the limit, then we have to be multiplied by this value by 2, because we are just consider this region, but we have to get the whole region there. Then please go to solve it. And this is enough for today. I'm coming tomorrow. कल फिर से कुछ सेलेक्टेड प्रॉब्लम के साथ एरिया बाउंड्री रीजन को एक्सप्लेन करेंगे, बिकॉज इट्स वेट इज कैरीड 6 मार्क्स देयर. ओके, थैंकिंग टू यू.